This is the Fender Vintera 60's Strat. We're going to unbox it and have a quick first impressions straight ahead. Welcome back, guys. It's Alex from TECHAERIS.com, and I am going to do a quick unboxing video and sort of a first impressions on the new Fender Vintera Stratocaster. This is the 60's modified version. Fender was kind enough to send it out and have me take a look at it. It's going to be a quick video today. We're just going to unbox this, show it to you, and let you see what it looks like, and might play a little bit. We'll see what happens. Let's get to the unboxing. Alright guys, here we go. We're going to unbox this guy and have a look at what comes in the box from Fender. And you get a gig bag with this guy. Alright, so you get the strap for your gig bag here if you want to sling that over your back or your shoulder. Put that to the side. It's actually a decent looking gig bag. I love the pick. Let me lift this up so we can show you the pick zipper. That zipper right there is shaped like a pick, and it says since 1946. That's a nice little touch. This is a really nice gig bag. Actually nicer than the one that I reviewed last time. The American Performer Series, the gig bag that came with that. And on the back, just have rings, hook your straps in however you like. There's nothing in the pouch down below, so let's just take this Fender out of here because that's what we're here for. This is the 60's modified one. Pretty standard bag on the inside. It's got good padding. It's not a cheap bag, but it's also not one of the best I've seen. It's still nicer looking than the one that came with the Performer Series, which was the last Fender that we reviewed. So it comes obviously nicely packaged. Oh man, this is nice. Look at that. Wow. Take a look at that, guys. The Fender Vintera in cream. And I'll try to get some B-roll in here so you guys can have a closer look at this. One thing I noticed is the trem bar did not come in the bag with it, so I don't know if that was just overlooked by the company that sent it out to me. So I'll have to take another look inside and see if I can find the trem bar. So yeah, guys, no trem bar in the box. I'm sure that the ones that you buy will end up with a trem bar. This comes from Fender PR, so they probably unboxed it already, tested it and whatnot, and they forgot to put the trem bar back in. So here we are with, I mean, this is this classic Strat. The difference is Fender's Vintera series is a new series in the line. Fender is making this series to emulate the sound of the 50s, 60s, and 70s, and this is the 60s version. So the pickups are tuned specifically for what you would have heard in a 60s Strat. If you buy the 50s version, it's the same way, and the same way with the 70s. Same with the tone and volume knobs down here and the switch. Everything's specifically made and geared to sound, give you that vintage 60s sound. We'll plug it in a little bit. I'm surprised that the Fender logo is not on the neck plate, so that's a surprise to me right there. It's got some good weight to it. It's not overly heavy, but like I said, I'll roll some B-roll over this, and we're gonna tune it up and plug it in. I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at the new Fender Vintera series. This is the 60s version, the modified version. All right, guys, we're gonna tune this up real quick, and then we're gonna have a little play. We'll be right back. All right, guys, I am back, and I'm gonna play a few little chords here so you can hear the Fender Vintera 60's Strat modified. I'm gonna play some clean, mostly just chords, just so you guys can hear the sound of the guitar. Forgive the sound. I am just using my Rode Video Mic Pro, so it may not sound, the best. I don't have a condenser mic to put on my amp. So let's just get into it. We'll keep rolling B-roll and just have a listen. This is clean, and this is using the bridge pickup. This is the second position, the bridge in the middle. all three pickups. And here we go with the middle and the bridge pickup. And then finally the bridge pickup alone. Alright, let's put a little dirt in there, see what we get. This is my setup over here. I have a compressor, a tube overdrive, an overdrive, a phaser, a flanger, DD3 digital delay, and a Echo 6 Baby, which is a digital delay as well. We'll throw a little dirt in there. We'll start with the tube overdrive, see what that sounds like. Let's give it a little overdrive on top of the tube overdrive. So I have my amp. I don't have too much dirt on the amp. I've got the volume up, but the gain pretty low. Spring reverb is not going. Everything's coming out of the pedal board and the guitar. I'm running the pickup configuration on all three currently, with my tone both at the middle and the volume around 4 or 5. guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will have a full review of the Fender Vintera 60's modified on the website at some point in the near future. If you liked the video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you haven't hit the notification bell, hit that notification bell, and we will talk to you guys on the other side.